Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be comparing Webflow and Divi. My goal is to help you decide which one might be a better fit for your needs in 2025. Let's start by understanding what each of these tools actually is. Webflow is a no-code website builder. That means you can design and build websites visually without needing to write any code. It gives you a lot of control over how your website looks and behaves. You can customize layouts, animations, and user interactions with a high level of precision. Webflow is often used by professional web designers or anyone who wants to build a fully custom website without relying on templates or plugins. Divi, on the other hand, works a bit differently. Divi is a theme and a visual page builder for WordPress. It's made by a company called Elegant Themes. If you're already using WordPress, or if you plan to, Divi could be a great option for you. It lets you build pages using a visual drag-and-drop editor. It also includes many pre-designed templates to help you get started quickly. Now, let's take a closer look at Divi. Divi is actually the most popular WordPress theme in the world. It's widely used by freelancers, small business owners, and web design agencies. One of the reasons for its popularity is how easy it is to use. You can make changes to your website on the front end and see those changes instantly. That means you don't have to deal with writing code or switching between different editing views. Divi also gets very good reviews. On Trustpilot, it has more than 24,000 reviews, with an average rating of 4.9 out of 5. That's a strong signal that most users are happy with the product. In terms of pricing, Divi offers two main options. You can choose a yearly plan or pay once for lifetime access. The standard yearly plan costs $89. It includes access to all Divi features, over 300 website layout packs, and the ability to build unlimited websites. You'll also get customer support. There's also a Pro version, which includes extras like Divi AI, Divi Cloud Storage, and access to the Divi Marketplace, where you can find more templates and custom modules. If you're planning to use Divi for many websites over time, the lifetime deal can save you money in the long run. Now let's go over Webflow in more detail. Webflow has its own set of pricing plans. There is a free plan available, but it's very limited. It's mostly useful for testing out the platform or building a personal project without going live. If you want to publish a real website with your own domain, you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The basic plan costs $14 per month, and it's a good option if you're building a simple website like a portfolio or a landing page. The CMS plan costs $23 per month. It's better suited for blogs or sites with dynamic content. The business plan is $39 per month, and it's built for larger websites that expect more traffic and need more advanced features. Webflow also has an enterprise option, which comes with custom pricing and support for very large projects or teams. Now let's talk about how to choose between Divi and Webflow. If you're a designer or part of a design team and you want complete control over every part of your website, from layout to animations, Webflow is probably the better choice. It gives you the flexibility to build from scratch, design your own interactions, and work with powerful visual tools. It's also a great choice if you want an all-in-one platform that handles hosting, security, and content management. But if you prefer a simpler workflow, or if you're already using WordPress, then Divi might be a better fit. It's easier to learn, and you can build full websites quickly using pre-made templates and a drag-and-drop editor. Divi is also a solid option if you want to build multiple websites without paying for each one individually, since their plan allows unlimited usage. One important thing to remember is that Divi requires WordPress. That means you'll need to find a hosting provider that supports WordPress, and you'll also need to install the Divi theme or plugin. With Webflow, you don't need to worry about hosting or setting up WordPress. Everything is built into the platform. You just sign up, build your site, and publish it. In the end, both platforms are excellent, just designed for different kinds of users. If you want full creative control and don't mind learning a more complex tool, go with Webflow. If you want a fast, user-friendly way to build websites inside WordPress, Divi is a solid and affordable choice. Webflow is a great choice if you want total control over layout and interactions, but it can come with a steep learning curve. Divi, built for WordPress users, makes designing easier and faster, especially for those who prefer drag-and-drop functionality without diving into code. If you want to explore Divi and see what it offers, you'll find a link in the description.